ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन सेंट सोल्जर टाइम्स ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਕੋਮਲ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਲਾਅ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਐਨੂਅਲ ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸਾਂਝੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ ਔਰ ਕੁਝ ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ। ਆਓ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਖਾਸ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Honorable Chief Guest, Justice M.S. Chauhan ji, Madam Professor Rupam Chagoda ji, Honorable Chairman sir, MD sir, and all the dignitaries present over here. To start with the occasion with blessings of Almighty, I would request our Honorable Chief Guest. We will wait for our worthy Chairperson ma'am. Within few minutes, we will start lighting the lamp. I would request our Honorable Chief Guest and to all worthy guests to come for lighting the lamp. We welcome you, ma'am. Let us bow our heads and offer a prayer of thanks and blessings to God. And determined to reach this milestone in their academic journey. Along the way, we ask you to bless this ceremony and all who are gathered here today. We ask you to bless this ceremony and all who are gathered here today.
also take this pleasure to welcome the guests of honor of the day, Professor Dr. Rupam Jagota. So I am indeed feel more proud in this, that Rupam was my student also, then my colleague also, and now she is Dean, Professor and Head. She is Professor and Head of Law Department and Dean of GNDU Regional Campus Jalandhar. So welcome Madam on this auspicious occasion. It is a matter of pride for we people that we just planted this tree, and that is a big tree these days, giving its shadow not to only in the regional campus but in the entire region of this law faculty. Welcome. So it's a pleasure to welcome the Worthy Chairman of St. Soldier Group of Institutions, Dr. Anil Chopra ji, with whose blessings, guidance and all cooperation. So it is possible that we organize such functions. Sir, welcome you. I also take this pleasure to welcome Worthy Vice Chairperson of the St. Soldier Group, which is a biggest group of the Northern India when we talk of educational institutions. Shrimati Sangeeta Chopra ji, welcome ma'am on behalf of the faculty, management and the students. With your presence, so we feel that we get a shower from the Almighty as well. So that means we formally just record the God. So basically with your presence also we feel that there is some divine presence amongst us. So that always inspires us. So I take this opportunity to welcome Worthy Managing Director of our group, Professor Manna Arora, Director of Co-Ed College, Principal and Co-Director both, Dr. Alka Gupta, Dr. Veena Dadaji, who is a part and parcel of this function, and faculty members and other guests. There is Director of Sports amongst us, who is to be honored today, Dr. Pushkarna ji. So he is also amongst us. Sir, welcome you. So not taking much of your time, I welcome you, all the participants also. It's a very happy occasion. I congratulate all the degree holders who will be awarded degree. So welcome to all. Then about this briefly, talking about the St. Soldier Group. So His Lordship will be talking about that briefly. So but I feel that the plant that was sown in 1958, long back, by our mother, so in the form of a small school, so that has become so big, not so say a big garden is there. So that means which is giving the shadow, giving fruits to in the region and entire country. So with that, today we find that it's a group of 56 institutions, the 23 colleges, 33 schools, having more than 45,000 students amongst us. And the most important thing about this group is that the student enters in the nursery class and passes out with post-graduation and even with doctorate. So we are obliged, and we also feel privileged that we are a member of the St. Soldier family. So that means with the blessings getting, guidance getting, so that means we have also grown. Even maybe people like me and Dada Madam, we came after retirement. She came from the board and I came from the university. Then even then we have learnt a lot by a member of this family. So that means it's a big group which gives us inspiration, gives us guidance, and the march going ahead in the law college and the co-ed college. So that is possible because of the path that has been built by the management of this group. So not taking much of your time, law college started in 2004. So in the very brief period, we find that it has grown quite large. So particularly during the last 10 years, if we just count these achievements, we find that they are many. But even then, we are not satisfied. Maybe very recently we had 4 judicial officers selected in Punjab. Earlier we had 2 in Haryana. So even then, feeling pleased, feeling motivated, but not feeling satisfied because we want something more also. Our targets are bigger. The university positions we find today itself, there will be 6 gold medals. Our students have scored. Those will be awarded universities to give later on. In the convocation today, we will be honoring those 6 students with gold medals also. So when we talk of the university positions, we find that roughly it's around 60% of first 3 positions in the university go to your college. And likewise, in the cultural events also, we are again proud to share that even yesterday evening, there was a youth festival that concluded of our zone, and Saint Soldier Law College got the first runner-up trophy in that event. Last year also it was same. So that means in the sport which are to become in a few days in the university, we are sure that we will be making a mark in the sports also. Likewise, the Kuwait College is proud of for this reason that new courses have been started. So that means when we talk of physiotherapy, normally you don't find in a degree college. And it is Saint Soldier Kuwait College which is having physiotherapy not only in its name, but when we talk of its product, that means what is coming out of that, the kind of education, kind of training given, we find the placements. Those are quite remarkable, which we can feel proud of. The commerce department is excellent. That means with the value-added courses, you find that there are rare achievements which are made by Kuwait College. Cultural also, sports also, it is a leader, particularly under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Veena Dada, Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, and the Guest of the Day. And I am sure that the students who will be awarded degrees today, so they will make a mark in their careers, maybe any kind of career they have chosen, and God will be blessing to them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Degree will be awarded in the university in convocation. She is a gold medalist.
वेट हाँ जी आ जाओ फटाफट आइए हाँ जी ये सामने इधर आओ
मृदंग समंता, गगनदीप सिंह,
वेट करो वेट
सोनू,
थोड़ा अंदर हो जाओ हाँ यस इधर सामने
अमरीक सिंह चावला जी,
अभी थोड़ा अंदर हो जाओ
विकास, रोहित कुमार, करण कुमार, अभिषेक मल्होत्रा, सुनील कुमार, इंद्रानी साहा, दीपक कुमार, जतिन, माहिर चैन, जतिन नागपाल, रजनीश, विकास अरोड़ा, अजय शर्मा।
सर अंदर हो हाँ दिया करो सर थोड़ा यस
रुपेश कुमार, हेमंत रानी, शमा, मोहम्मद कुल्लूर, अर्श बांसल, जसविंदर कौर, बलराज सिंह, संदीप कौर।
वेट कर लो वेट
Please check your order. Balraj Singh, Sandeep Kaur, Jasveer Singh, Lovepreet Kaur, Manda, Harsimrat Kaur, Priyanka, Parminder Singh, तरनवीर कौर, रेखा, कृतिका बग्गा, अंकिता बग्गा, गुरनाम सिंह, मानवी उत्पल, गगनदीप कौर।
इधर आइए तुम
उषा, परमिंदर सिंह, दीक्षा पठानिया, पूजा देवी, विक्टर सिद्धू, अर्श, गगनदीप, सिमरनजीत कौर, जसमीत कौर, जीतिका,
इस साइड आओ हाँ, इस तरह।
साहिल कतड़ा, मृदुल बहल, हर्षित अरोड़ा। These are the students who have passed their law degrees. Again, just wait for a gold medalist. Varsha, Talveer, Abhishek,
थोड़ा एकदम करो
Mary, Kamaljeet Kaur, Pradeep Singh, Shabi Precious, Prayas Kalia, Sheetal, Jaspreet Kaur, Jasmine, Chanchal, Nandini, Bhavna, Balraj Singh. Aniket Singh, Harmanjeet Singh, Krishma, Vatkyana, Satyam Gupta, Varun Gera, Satyam Gupta, Meherpreet Singh, Rajdeep, Kartik, Yogesh, Baljot Singh, Khushbu, Rupinder Kaur, Shruti, Neha Sandev, Khushi, Tushar. Nitish Bhagat, Kirna, Purnam, Sumanpreet Kaur, Vanshu Sangal, Atif Kaur, Avishka Roshan, Surya Bhan Singh, Manpreet Kaur, Simranjeet Kaur, Radhika, Balraj, Samriddhi Chawda. Trishti Verma, Gunjan, Riya Gandhi, Kajal, Harsimranpreet Kaur, Robin Singh, Rishabh Bahal, Srishti, Mohit Kareer, Malveer Kaur, Pratham Prabhakar, Prabhu Goyal, Daman Jodh, Anshul Chopra, Pallavi Yadav, Sahil Chopra. Simran, Nitesh, Riya, Shaheen Soni, Khushi Pagat, Malhar Malhotra, Manpreet Kaur, Navdeep Kaur, Ankita, Kanika Thakur, Rajveer Kaur, Amisha, Tania Gupta, Simranjeet Kaur, अर्पिता वालिया, तरुण सेठी, विशाल, अंकित, नवनीत कौर, ममता, उमा सैनी, हर्ष, प्रिया मल्होत्रा, आदर्श, नवदीप शर्मा, रघु शर्मा, don't break the sequence. रितु, कमलजीत कौर, गौतम, गौतम वर्मा, प्राची मित्तल, प्रबल, अर्शप्रीत, कृति वर्मा, रजनी,
रुक जाओ 1 मिनट थोड़ा
again Prachi Mittal is a gold medalist in the university. Ishika, Ajay, Sahil Sharma, Komalpreet Kaur, श्वेता अरोड़ा, नीलाभ, गगनमीत, रिद्धम अग्रवाल, हृदयांश, दिव्या मोहन, निशा,
इधर आ जाओ।
Amandeep, Shani Kumar, Vijay Kumar, Paras, Moondeep Singh, Harsimran, Kashish Chopra, Riya, Amneet Payal, Prabjot Gaur, Vandana, Harmandeep, Karthik Rikhi, Aziz Arora, Sohail Ali, Meenal, Parampreet, Sukhveer, Graduation is an exciting time. It marks both an ending and a beginning. It's a warm memories of the past and big dreams for the future. Now I hand over the dais to Dr. Paramjeet Kaur. Thank you, ma'am. मंच पे श्रवण बहुत ही सत्कारित शख्सियत
BPT, BCA, BCom and BA examination are considered eligible for Bachelor of Graduation. I request you to confirm the degree upon them.
In my capacity as Director of this college, I confer upon you the degree of Bachelor of Arts, Commerce, Computers and BPT and allow you to bear the note bending.
सामने देख लो यार।
राजन,
डिग्री पकड़ो यार।
नेहा, अजीत सिंह,
अजीत सिंह सेंटर पे।
अनु Navpreet. BCom class, Jeerat Patti, Komalpreet, Anu, Sukhjinder Singh, Navneet, Rohit, Sharanjit Kaur, Kiranjit Kaur, BPT department, Ramanpreet Kaur, Hartika, Manpreet Kaur, Harpreet Kaur, Harpreet Kaur, Harpreet, Neena, Meenu Kumari, Simran, Jasmine Kaur, Jasmine, Geeta Devi, Arshdeep Kaur. Thank you, sir. और मैं मोनिका मैम को पता करनी है.
Dr. Veena Dada, Director, Saint Soldier Co-Educational College, distinguished members of the faculty, dear students, young graduates, friends from print and electronic media, and distinguished guests, a very good afternoon to all of you. It is my great honor to be part of the annual convocation of Saint Soldier Law College and Saint Soldier Co-Educational College. In fact, I have had the pleasure of interacting with the management, the faculty, and the students of these institutions on many previous visits here. Therefore, I feel a special kinship and bond with young graduates we have assembled to honor today. Friends, I am told Saint Soldier Group that took birth in the year 1958 has 23 colleges of different streams and 33 public schools spread in various parts of the Punjab state, including one at Panchkula and another in Delhi. Having been founded by Mrs. Shanta Chopra, presently the group is being administered by its untiring and visionary chairman, Mr. Anil Chopra, and vice chairperson, Mrs. Sangeeta Chopra. It is the leading educational group of North India with over 45,000 students. Stars of this convocation today are indeed the graduating students and those who have won medals. So I would like to take special privilege to congratulate all the graduating students and the medal winners. I would also like to extend my greetings to the proud parents who will ever cherish the memories of this day with much greater fondness than the graduating students themselves. I am reminded of the day almost 50 years from now, I was sitting where you are now, eager to take my newly acquired degree, knowledge and skills and put them to test in the real world. I know that today you face many challenges and opportunities that I never could have imagined as a college graduate in 1970s. The world you are entering today as graduates has changed and continues to change at an incredibly rapid speed. The 21st century landscape is very much a global world driven by data economy. Over the last several decades, the industrial age has given way to the information age, and that change has connected the world across borders of all kinds. Knowledge and information are the common languages that connect us across disciplines and industries and across national borders and cultural boundaries. Friends, today, after receiving your degree, when you open it, on one side you will find your name and name of the degree or diploma written on it. I know your journey was not easy. Now you stand at the peak of the mountain you have scaled, and opportunity stretches out before you. Congrats from my side. Turn that certificate and you will find that other side of the certificate is blank. It is your privilege, your prerogative to write your future on the blank side of the certificate. You have a blank check in your hands. It is up to you what you fill in the blank check. My best wishes as you enter the world full of exciting opportunities and possibilities with a blank check in your hands. I am happy to note that Saint Soldier Group of Institutions is empowering the young minds with the socially and economically relevant education, skill and ability, and inculcates in them the values of professionalism. It is my privilege to address an august congregation present here, comprising a rich group of illustrious academicians and erudite scholars. The scholars will be going out into the world possessed with their valued degrees in various fields. Since its momentous birth in 1958, the group has been amongst the leading centers of education in this part of the country. I am also happy to note that the group is working to uphold the sacred object of imparting education to transform the young minds as human resource for providing justice, social, economic and political, the cornerstone of our constitution. I am reminded of what our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi expressed about the education. He said, I quote, "What is really required to make democracy function is not the knowledge of facts, but right education," unquote. The quality of governance in a democracy depends largely on the capabilities and vision of the people who occupy the institutions of governance. Education empowers the people and equips their leaders with capabilities and capacities needed for good governance. It is you, the scholars and academicians, who are ultimately going to make the real difference to the quality of governance. Education impacts a nation's level of democracy and affects the very essence of modern democratic society. Education gives you a chance to be the leaders of tomorrow, to play a significant role not only in the development of policies in our great country, but also to play an important part in the development of Community of Nations. Education is a vital link in the creation of knowledge and in the application of concepts of knowledge in society. The degrees that are conferred on you today neither merely are a formal mark of education, nor the mere recognition of voluminous memorized and absorbed ideas. They represent holistically the awareness and wisdom that you have gained from your scholarly endeavors. Good education secures a sense of equity, preserving individuality with diversity, knowledge with capabilities to make its proper and profitable use for entire mankind, makes it a potent tool of human development, particularly in this information age. I firmly believe scholars need to rethink about their mission and their relationship with the society. The legitimate aim of education is to promote the major values of a democratic society and to reduce the number of moral mavericks who do not share democratic preferences. So that is what I want for all of you. I want you all to stay true to most real, most sincere, most authentic parts of yourselves. I want you to ask those fundamental questions. Who do you want to be? What inspires you? How do you want to give back? And then I want you to take a deep breath and trust yourselves to plan your own course and create your mark on the world. I may remind you, convocation is a landmark in the lives of the students, and now your motto of life should be Asto ma sadgamaya, tamso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityor ma amritam gamaya. It means, lead me from unreal to the real, from darkness to light, and from death to immortality. Let temples of learning such as this help unfold the Indian intellect to greater and still greater heights of knowledge, and let us work together to enable an individual to realize his full potential so as to contribute the cause of nation building. Have the courage to decide for yourself what is right and what is wrong, and make firm commitment to good cause as to convert your dreams into reality. Now, a word of caution. This convocation ceremony, in Hindi called Dikshant Samaroh, is a culmination of a journey as well as beginning of a new journey for the new graduates. But I want to emphasize that Dikshant does not mean Shikshant, that is end of education. Your education and learning do not end here. They in fact begin here. Never stop learning. This is your world where volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity are ruling. As I said earlier, the world is changing rapidly, and the rate of acceleration of change is just amazing. Do you know world's largest taxi company, Uber, owns no taxis? World's largest accommodation provider, Airbnb, owns no real estate. World's most valuable retailer, Alibaba, has no inventory. World's largest movie house, Netflix, has no cinemas. And this all was unthinkable even 10 years before. In the present day world of technology, machines are increasingly performing tasks that are typically considered human. These tasks include complex analysis, subtle judgments, and creative problem solving. In fact, it is said that Industrial Revolution freed humanity from much repetitive physical drudgery machines will influence both blue collar and white collar jobs. According to a research, the technology impact on jobs will be far greater in the developing world than in the developed world. A recent report by US Department of Labor says that almost 2/3 of the senior school going children, we will have to move from right to education to right education, and then the right way of education. Thank you.
Honorable Justice M.S. Chauhan ji, thank you, sir. I'm sure that your words will set up perfect platform for our graduates in their profession. Please be seated, students. Thank you once again, sir. Now I request our worthy Chief Guest, Justice M.S. Chauhan ji, to declare the convocation closed.
Yes, I declare the convocation closed.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Rupam Jagota, Dean, GNDU College Regional Campus, Jalandhar.
The future is for you. You are the people who have to embark upon it, imbibe it, visualize it, crystallize it, and determine that that is the goal, that is the target which is to be achieved. So first of all, a very, very big congratulations to all the graduates today who have made a mark for themselves, who have won the medals, and those who did not won but have completed them. There is something much better in future store for you. So the goal has to be targeted, it has to be achieved, and I believe that your teachers, your parents have all contributed in your success. So first of all, a very big applaud, and I think you all should congratulate yourself for this achievement. Secondly, this is one goal. The second is still a long way to go. What now from here? What is to be done? Which journey of life you will embark upon? Where is your vision? What is the target? What I want to be? So one platform is there as you graduate. Those who have done, you have a degree in law. What next? Practice in the court? Or be like one, prepare for the judiciary. Right? So the goals are so many. You have to visualize where I have to go. This is not the end of the journey, but it is a new beginning. With these words, I once again heartily congratulate everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A big round of applause to this child, please. Again, I request you all to honor our guest of the day, Professor Rupam Jagota, Dean, GNDU, Regional Campus, Jalandhar. Was the guest of the day, Professor Rupam Jagota, respected Chairman, sir, Chairperson, ma'am, to kindly present the prizes to our gold medal. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all, your hard work and determination paid off. Saint Soldier Law College outshines in seasonal by winning first runner-up trophy in Youth Festival GNDU Amritsar. Congratulations to winners. Now I request to all the dignitaries to present the token of Excellency. Now I would like to invite the students of St. Soldier, Manpreet Singh DP at volleyball. A big round of applause for all the players. Now it's the time for book release. I would like to request Honorable Justice M.S. Chauhan ji and other dignitaries kindly release the book, which is an asset of St. Soldier Co-Education College for students as well as faculty has made a remarkable, we can say that memories and remarkable, I must say, appreciation goes to the faculty members for this book release. A big round of applause to our St. Soldier Co-Education College.
हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि न्यायाधीश श्री M.S. चौहान जी, रूपम मैडम, मैं रूपम मैम ही कहूँगी, हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, हमारे चेयरमैन सर, वाइस चेयरपर्सन मैम, मास्टर आरव, MD साहब मनोहर अरोड़ा जी, डॉक्टर शर्मा, अध्यापकगण और मेरे सामने बैठे आज के ग्रेजुएट युवा शक्ति जिसको मैं कह सकती हूँ, जिनको आज डिग्री मिली है, और साथ ही साथ हमारे आज के जो मुख्य अतिथि थे, उन्होंने इतने खूबसूरत शब्दों में आपको इस डिग्री का महत्व और आज के दिन का महत्व बताया है। मैं बहुत आनंदित हूँ और बहुत गर्वित महसूस कर रही हूँ कि आप उनसे डिग्री ले रहे हो जिनके विचार इतने उच्च हैं। मिस्टर चौहान, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू कि आप आज यहाँ आए और इतनी खूबसूरत बातें हमारे बच्चों के साथ की। मुझे पता है बच्चों को थोड़ी जल्दी है, इंटेलिजेंस उनके हाथ में है मोबाइल, पर फिर भी ये बातें बहुत देर तक याद रहती हैं। आपने कहा कि आप ऊपर खड़े हो और आपने आगे अपना रास्ता बनाना है, आपको एक सीढ़ी मिल गई है। तो बच्चों, जो सीढ़ी होती है ना, ये चढ़ने के लिए होती है, इसके पाँव पे बैठा नहीं जाता। आज आपने सिर्फ ग्रेजुएशन की LLB की डिग्री ली है, अभी बहुत आगे आपने जाना है, आपका रास्ता बहुत लंबा है। लेकिन चाहे रास्ता जितना भी लंबा है और जितनी भी आगे जाना है, एक बात उसमें पक्की है कि आप जो निश्चय आज कर लोगे कि हमने किस तरह की ज़िंदगी बतानी है, किस तरह का प्रोफेशन अडॉप्ट करना है, किस तरह से मैंने अपना रास्ता चुनना है। जैसा कि रूपा मैडम ने भी कहा और चौहान सर ने भी कहा कि इंटेग्रिटी, उसमें ऑनेस्टी, ऊपर देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो मैं आप सबकी तरफ से जहाँ अपने मुख्य अतिथि का और गेस्ट ऑफ द डे का अभिवादन करती हूँ और धन्यवाद करती हूँ, और मैं बड़ा गर्वित महसूस कर रही हूँ उनको धन्यवाद देने। मेरे बहुत से धन्यवाद इकट्ठे हैं फॉर चेयरमैन सर और मैडम के लिए, जो हमारी इस अभिव्यक्ति, इस उपलब्धि और जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं उसके पीछे जो एक फोर्स है, वो है चेयरमैन साहब का एक्सपीरियंस और मैडम का जज्बा, जो हम किसी हालत में मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते। एमडी साहब जो हमें समय समय पर मार्गदर्शन देते हैं, वो हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। मेरे थैंक्स आज के टीचर साहबान, मोनिका मैम जो यहाँ पे सारा बोल रही थी, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, उनके साथ आए उनके मेहमान, म्यूजिशियन, मीडिया कर्मी, हमारे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जिन्होंने ये साउंड सिस्टम अरेंज किया, और जो कर्मचारी हैं जिनके बिना हम ये कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जिन्होंने सारे अरेंजमेंट में, जिन्होंने सब में हमारी सहायता की, उनको मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। एक बात ज़रूर कहूँगी जो हमारे मुख्य अतिथि ने भी अपने भाषण में कही कि आप सपने देखो, अपने लिए एक टारगेट फिक्स करो। सपने ही देखना, अगर हम सपने नहीं देखेंगे तो पूरा कैसे करेंगे? सपने देखो, उनमें जियो, उनको पूरा करने की कोशिश करो, लेकिन एक बात याद रखो, देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टकट टू द सक्सेस, यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड। आप सख्त मेहनत के बिना कहीं नहीं पहुंच सकते, और सख्त मेहनत वही करता है जो ईमानदार होता है और जो कर सकता है, वो एक रास्ता अपना लेता है। तो मैं सर आपके लिए और जो हमारे अतिथि हैं उनके लिए, और ख़ास करके अपनी युवा शक्ति के लिए एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ। कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वे तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे, खौफ डराना, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे। जो है वो रुक सकता है कि आप इतना आगे मत बढ़ो, जो है वो खो दोगे, जो है वो भी रुक सकता है। इस राह पे रहजन है बहुत, रहजन समझते हो, चोर डाकू लुटेरे बहुत हैं, यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है, और अक्सर यहाँ पर होता है। दोनों बातें हैं, यहाँ कुछ भी हो सकता है और अक्सर यहाँ पर होता है, पर तुम जिस पल में जिंदा हो वो पल तुम्हारे साथ है, वो पल तुमसे जिंदा है। तुम जिस पल में जिंदा हो वो पल तुमसे जिंदा है। ये वक्त फिर ना आएगा, तुम अपनी करनी कर जाओ, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। एक सच्चाई के राह पे चलते रहो, भगवान और ये सारी कायनात आपकी हेल्प करेगी। इन शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सबका एक बार फिर धन्यवाद करती हूँ, और आए मेहमानों का खास करके मास्टर आरव जो इतनी देर बैठे। अब हम आपको गीता दिखाएंगे ताकि आप खुश हो जाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hey! Yeah.
ਅੱਜ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਲਾਅ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ। ਜੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਪਾਸ ਆਊਟ ਹੋਏ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਡਿਗਰੀਆਂ ਮਿਲੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੁਝ ਤਜਰਬੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਔਰ ਜੱਜ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੈਸਟ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਵੀ ਲਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਅਨਿਲ ਚੋਪੜਾ ਜੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਈਸ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ ਮੈਡਮ ਸੰਗੀਤਾ ਚੋਪੜਾ ਜੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਗਰੀਆਂ ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਟਰਾਫੀਜ਼ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਸਟ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਲਈ ਸੇਂਟ ਸੋਲਜਰ ਟਾਈਮਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਮਲ ਕੈਮਰਾਮੈਨ ਅਨੁਰਾਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।